Your bank is pushing unit trusts. Your friend says ETFs are better, and you're standing there wondering what's the actual difference. In this video, I'm going to break it down clearly so you know exactly what you're dealing with and which one makes more sense for your money. If this helps, hit like and subscribe. It helps more South Africans find this content. A unit trust is a professionally managed investment fund. You put your money in, and a fund manager, a real person, decides where to invest it. They buy shares, bonds, property, whatever the fund strategy allows. In South Africa, unit trusts are sold by companies like Allan Gray, Coronation, 91, and most major banks. The key thing to understand, you're paying someone to manage your money. That person gets paid whether the fund goes up or down. What is an ETF? An ETF, exchange-traded fund, works differently. Instead of a person managing it, an ETF simply tracks an index, like the Satrix Top 40, which automatically follows the top 40 companies on the JSE. No one is sitting there making decisions. The fund just mirrors the index automatically. You buy and sell ETFs on the stock exchange, just like shares. That's why they're called exchange-traded. Key differences. Now here's where it gets important, the fees. Unit trusts typically charge between 1% and 2.5% per year in management fees. Some charge even more. That might sound small, but over 20 years, that fee eats a massive chunk of your returns. ETFs are much cheaper. Most charge between 0.1% and 0.5% per year. That's the TER, total expense ratio. Lower fees mean more of your money stays working for you. Second, difference control. With an ETF, you can buy and sell any time during market hours. With a unit trust, transactions can take days to process. Third, performance. Studies consistently show that most actively managed unit trusts underperform their benchmark index over time, meaning most fund managers don't beat the market yet, they still charge you for trying. Which one is better? For most South African beginners, ETFs win. Lower fees, more transparency. You know exactly what you're invested in, and you can start with as little as 100 Rand on EasyEquities. Unit trusts aren't bad, they have a place, especially for retirement products and tax-free savings accounts. But for a beginner building wealth from scratch, an ETF is the smarter starting point. A simple rule: if you're just starting out, go ETF first. Once your portfolio grows and you understand investing better, you can explore unit trusts for diversification. Where to start in SA for ETFs, EasyEquities, or Satrix Direct. Both are free to sign up, FSCA regulated, and you can start with 100 Rand. For unit trusts, Allan Gray, Coronation, or 10X investments are the most well-known. Be aware of minimum investment amounts and higher fees. Unit trust or ETF, now you know the difference. Start simple. Start with what you understand and keep going. Subscribe to Rand Smart for more real personal finance content made for South Africans. I'll see you in the next one.